Every night since the pandemic began, we've been reporting numbers, number of cases, number of hospitalizations. There is a person behind every number we report. And tonight, the story of Cleo Shephard, one of the youngest COVID deaths in the state. She was just 20 years old. She died on Monday after a week-long battle in the Saint Alphonsus ICU. Doctors have told us that ICU patients are getting younger and younger. Our Andrew Bartline spoke to Cleo's mother just today. Andrew, this is a very difficult and emotional time for the family. What did they have to share with us about Cleo's story?
Yeah, the vaccination status, we'll get this over with at the top, is unclear right now. Cleo's family did not feel comfortable talking to us about that, but they do want us to know that Cleo's very loved. She will be very missed, and she was a motherly figure to her younger siblings.
She was just the kindest soul. She loved children so much. She walked into a room and it lit up. There wasn't a child that she didn't love and didn't love her.
20-year-old Cleo Shephard spent weeks fighting COVID, and after being hospitalized, Cleo spent a full week in the Saint Alphonsus ICU. The virus led to pneumonia, and then Cleo's kidneys started to fail.
And right before they intubated her, the last thing she said to me was, "Mama, I don't want to die." And I promised her that she was going to be fine. And that was the last conversation I ever had with her.
Cleo died at Saint Alphonsus on September 20th.
Her poor little heart was just so tired. As I was kissing her and holding her, her heart stopped. You never know. She was 20 years old and full of life. This should not have happened.
And now, a heartbroken mother can only offer her thanks to those who did everything they could to try and save her daughter.
We went to Boise and St. Al's, and they treated her so good. They did everything in their power to try to help her.
She has a message for others.
Fight 100%. You have to be advocates for your children.
And ask for a prayer for Cleo.
And although it hurts us, we know that Jesus is holding her in his arms right now. And I just want to thank everybody for their continued prayers. She had the most beautiful singing voice. She sounded like an angel. She loved God so much. It just barely started to come into her own.
Now, just to reiterate for those who maybe joined us in the middle of that story, the vaccination status is unclear for Cleo. The family wasn't comfortable talking with us about that. They have also set up a GoFundMe for funeral and burial expenses as they're struggling. If anyone is interested in helping the family, we will have a link over to that GoFundMe on our website at ktvb.com. Kim.
Just too young, 20 years old, and I know there are so many people praying for her family right now to bring comfort to them. Andrew, thank you.